What up, everybody? Welcome back to Recipejoes, and we're here at Ole Hickory BBQ, checking out their breakfast menu and also checking out some of their lunch menu as well. I think they're going to be doing their turnover from breakfast to lunch here in a little bit, so maybe we'll get a chance to check some of that stuff out. Again, Ole Hickory BBQ right here in New Market. We're going to check it out. We're going to show you all the good things in store. Coming up. Here's the breakfast menu with a bunch of different items, but I got an item right here ready for me to try. I'm gonna show you. It is called Dirty Grits. Dirty Grits with an egg on top, and we're gonna try it out. Okay, off the bat, it's really good. The heat from the andouille sausage really kicks it up. Where, of course, you still have salt, things of that nature in the grits, but at the same time, it adds some flavor to it from the sausage and from the chicken. So again, really well done. All right, guys, we're gonna scoot in here, and I'm gonna show you what we got. We got pulled chicken. We got pulled turkey, and we've got brisket, and we have a rib. So we're just gonna be savage and sort of dig into stuff. So we're just gonna pick some stuff up and go with it. We have different sauces as well. We got our white sauce here. We got basically your barbecue sauce right here. And this one, I'm not sure. So we're gonna have to try a couple of different things as the rib falls over, because of the weight of it all. So here we go. So all right, rib, stay right there. I'll be with you in a second. So turkey. First I'm gonna sort of try it outright. Turkey's really good. Tender. Some good flavor to it as well. So definitely thumbs up on that. I believe this is the chicken. Good as well. Really tender, juicy. Got that smokiness going on with it too. Really good. Let's see, what is this? Let's try this. So smoked turkey, smoked chicken, and turkey. Very good, very well done. Of the three that I've tried so far right here, I think the turkey is winning right now, but it's really good. Okay. Here's our brisket. Let's show you real quick. There you go. Just gonna pick up. Just pick up and go with it. There we go. Alright guys, last but not least, here's our short rib. So we're just gonna bite into this thing. Don't hold it long, so to see what it's like without any kind of sauce. The mark of usually good ribs is that you can eat it without the sauce. They're good. So here we go. Okay, yeah. That's the money. That's money right there. That's good. Really tender, really juicy, as you can see. Let me get up on it. See? Really juicy, but got that good smokiness about it. We're gonna try some of the sauces. So we're gonna put that in there. Try it. Very good, very good. I'm trying it in the white sauce. Let's see. I'm gonna pull off a piece of it. Oops, that wrong stuff. White sauce got like a peppery kick to it. It's white because it's usually mayonnaise based one, but the sauce is it's really good. I'm gonna try this last piece as well in this sauce. Sort of off camera, but I'm gonna got some heat to it. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Ole Hickory BBQ, trying out a spread of their barbecue that they have available, and everything is top notch. Really good. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. I'm gonna finish eating this and take some stuff home to the missus and the girls. So I'll catch you later. Peace.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.